to book a car rental on budget. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search budget.com. You'll find this kind of screen. Here, simply click on enter your pickup location and simply enter your pickup location. After you have entered your pickup location, you'll find different options. Select the nearest one to you. Then select return to same location, or you can choose that location. Then add date, time, and you can filter out at the bottom as well, which is your age, I live in, and add customer ID if you have one, offer code, and vehicle type as well. After that, you can simply click on select my car at the bottom. After you've clicked on select my car at the bottom, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, you'll find all these options pop up. Scroll down and you'll find all the vehicles available. Select the one you prefer, and then you can click on pay later or pay now. You'll also find information of the vehicle on the left side. As you can see, Toyota Corolla, 5-seater, Bluetooth, backup camera, automatic transmission. Select wisely by looking at the details and then click on pay later or pay now. After you've done that, this is protection and coverage. Select if you want one. Then you will find other option, press on continue. Then equipment and services, what kind of equipment and services you want. Select. After you have selected, simply it will load, click on continue. After you have pressed on continue in here, simply scroll down and you'll find your information. Add your first name, last name, email, mobile number, and travel information, travel agents if you have one. After you do that, everything will be booked. And this is how to book a car rental on budget. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.